Hey everyone, it's Mr. John from AK Dragfish 3D, and today we're reviewing the SOL Scout Survival Kit. It's kind of small, it's lightweight, it's designed for small spaces. The package says it's 6 ounces. There's a breakdown of what's in it. Let's bust it out. I'm gonna bust out this, look over each piece one by one, and give my honest opinion whether or not it's useful, whether it's or is it something you just chuck and replace with something else. Alright, so here we are. I've already cut the Ziploc off, and there's a little snap here. Undo that. Packaging is very descriptive. Small dry bag. Okay, so it opens like that. So that's everything. Okay, so let's go through all the pieces here. First, the compass. It's obviously pointing north, right? So if I orient that way, the liquid it's obviously pointing north. Although it's not a very big hole. So a little tag here. I'm not sure what's on the inside there. I'm not sure what the green's for. Next, we'll cover fire. So fire, this thing has 2 parts to the fire. It's got a striker, and it's got some tinder, like tinder plugs, right? So it's definitely a tinder plug. So that's over glorified lighter. Doesn't look like I can replace the flint that easily. That's just 5 strikes. So the tinder plug's a maybe. This thing, not so much. However, I would rather replace this with a good old-fashioned lighter. Replace this for, that's sparks, but I'd replace it for a lighter, hands down. Reflective mirror, remove film before you're using. Reflective mirror, right? So I mean, you can see the reflective mirror. It's tiny. Again, it's got the same size hole as the compass, almost. Right? So, it's duct tape, pure and simple. So let's open it up. See how much duct tape that is. Like, no, okay, hold on. There better be a rip. There better be like a rip on this, like a perforated edge to open this, because that is vacuum sealed very tightly. I see a perforated edge. If I need to use duct tape in a hurry, this is not the thing. What I use duct tape in the woods for? Just about anything. I mean, people build boats out of duct tape. This is really difficult to open. This is something I would prep before putting this in my glove box, if that's you're so choosing, right? Small survival kits like this are best for glove boxes. All right, let's pull a little off of it. Let's pull a little bit off this here. It's tacky. It's duct tape. It doesn't feel like the best duct tape in the world, but alas, poor Eric, it is duct tape. Okay, and the whistle. We got a whistle, right? Your standard howler whistle. I have a 3D model of this. If you go back to my videos, there's a video where I made a whole bunch of these. This exact whistle. This exact whistle. I pull it really hard on the camera, piss everyone off. Oh, but this exact whistle, 3D printed, 1 piece, good to go. All right, so fishing gear. This is supposed to be a fishing and sewing kit. First thing I don't like about this is it's a pop top. It simply just pulls right off. There's very little pressure. Very little pressure in opening that up. It's a tube. Let's see. Needle. Some big bobby pins. Feels like 4 pound. 2 pound, 4 pound. It's very light fishing line. With this fishing line, I would not be using it. I would tear my 554 apart and use the 554 instead. From a fisherman's standpoint, it's a start. There's better fishing, survival fishing. experience of it. You can probably build one. Sewing needle and some safety pins. Now this, on the other hand, fishing stuff aside, you can use the sewing. This is probably why they put 2 pound in here. Is I have a sewing kit. Remove the hooks aside. I now have a sewing kit with fishing line, which is phenomenal. It's got that monofilament, has that stretch to it, so even if it does take 2 pounds of force, it's still gonna stretch before it breaks. Blanket. Okay, this is supposed to open up to 5 by 8, 5 feet by 8 feet. So I am not gonna open it up all the way. I'm not gonna spread it out all the way. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic bag here, which it is very much stuck in. So again, survival scenario, ease of access is a good thing, and that's where this kit overall is failing. There's too much I have to open up when, you know, I'm freezing or starving or whatever. When seconds count, I don't need to be fighting with a stupid Ziploc bag, right? Okay, so it's a space blanket. It's a space blanket. It's no different than any other space blanket. Orange on one side, silver on the other. Okay, so overall opinion. Always good to have a compass, but you should already have one in your kit. This, for fishing and sewing, I'm gonna rate it as a meh. Drop a comment if I'm off base here. Okay, so that's a meh. That's a yeah. Whistle, duh. That's a yeah. Mirror, no. It's a toss up. It really is. It's a toss up. Okay. Duct tape, definite. Yes. Sparker, situational. I'd keep it in the kit, but I'd also go buy a lighter. And the bag, I don't know. I'm not liking the bag too much. Right? The ability to hold everything together in one pouch, yes. So, would I have a survival kit in my car? Most definitely. I do it year round. I built me a survival bag a long time ago. Assuming I don't have a survival bag, would I have a survival kit like this in my car? Maybe. Would I have this specific one? Again, situational. If it's what's on the shelf, it's what's on the shelf, and you deal with what's on the shelf. Welcome to the 21st century. The little parts and pieces are good to have, but small pieces tend to get lost in the woods. Would I suggest keeping this in your car? Maybe. So roll like this, and we just clip together like that. And there we have it. We have reviewed the contents of the SOL survival kit. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. Let me know. Let me know what's up. If you think I'm off base, you think, no, that's a great kit, Mr. John, it's a great kit. You don't need to change anything. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. You have a good day.